Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on text-to-speech read aloud on Android. So if you have someone who finds it difficult seeing or accessing their device, this feature is very useful for them. And this is quite easy to do. What you want to do is first of all, open the App Store, and then in the search section here, you want to search for accessibility. Although this comes pre-installed on most Android phone, but if you do not find it on your Android phone, this is how you can get it. Now you'll find Android Accessibility Suite. Tap on this, install the app or update if necessary. And once installed, the next step is to open settings on your Android phone. Now you can search in the search settings section here for accessibility, or you can scroll all the way till you find accessibility and tap on this, and the feature which allows your phone to read out loud or speak items on your screen is the talkback feature. Now tap on this and this will bring you here. Now before you enable talkback feature, you want to scroll down here and learn how to use the talkback feature, as you may find it difficult moving around if you don't understand the navigation. When you swipe right or left to move between items, the selector also moves when you swipe left or right. When the selector is on an item and you double tap, it will activate the item. To move around your screen, you can use your two fingers to scroll up and down. And then bottom here, you know how to turn it off. You can always come back here to turn it off once you understand the gesture. Now before you enable, you also have talkback shortcuts. And the talkback shortcuts allows you to use two different shortcuts. So when you tap on this, tap on allow, you see the two shortcuts here, which is the accessibility button. And when you check on this, you will see the accessibility button. You can tap on it and this will immediately activate talkback. You'll see the selector which is currently green. You can also use the volume option here, which when you long press on both volume, you see accessibility menu and talkback feature. So you'll be able to turn on and off talkback here and access your accessibility menu. If you do not want any of this, you can check on them, and then let's get to using talkback. Now, toggle on using talkback and then tap on allow. This will immediately turn on talkback. So once the selector is on any item, when you double tap, it activates the item. To move around up and down on your screen here, you can swipe, keep swiping, and then it will select a new item. You can also tap on an item and then it will start reading what the item is. So let's say, for example, I wanted to go back to my home screen. I can select on home screen and then double tap. This will take me to my home screen. So let's say you want to read something from a web page or you want your screen to read it loud, or even from any application. You can simply open the app, let's say your browser, scroll down or swipe left and right till you find the content, or use the selector to search for the website. And once you open the web page, let's say for example this one, it will open the web page and start reading it out. Now you can swipe up and down with your hand and it will keep reading what's on your screen. And let's say you want to turn off talkback, you can go back to settings here. And once settings is opened, you want to scroll to accessibility, double tap on accessibility, select talkback, double tap on it, and then select use talkback. Double tap, select turn off, and double tap to turn it off. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.